Hello, this is a 2022 range of motorhomes from Eura Mobil. In this video I'm going to show you two motorhomes, similar lengths, one's a bit bigger than the other, with a German layout in them. And the main feature is going to be this one, Profila RS, PRS695EB. What a complicated name. 75,000, 7 meters long, 232 wide, and 3 meters at its highest point. Now if I come in here, you'll see it's all dark, so I shall use my ingenuity to turn on the 12 volt, the lights, and something's flashing here. Something here is flashing. I wonder what that could be. Off. There you go. That's gone off. Oh, there you go. And we'll turn in. There you go. Right. Good job. I have studied advanced electronics, isn't it? Right. So we have here a motorhome with the German layout in the back, and as you can see, conveniently, one side is longer than the other, and that uses the shape of the furniture around it. Storage at the back, storage under here, stack of storage there, big wardrobe, can be used for keeping bits of wood in, and on this side as well, storage there and there. This opens like that, and this fits in there. Now you've got your German layout in the bed. So if you're a lady and you're taller than the person you're with, then, or if you're a gentleman taller than the person you're with, or if you're a dog and you're longer than the dog you're with, then that's a good idea, saving a bit of space. Here we have a fridge. And a very nicely shaped. Now I really like the kitchens, the way they are shaped in Eura Mobil models. Here we've got 3 burners and a sink and a domestic type tap. Storage there and there and there, and up here we've got a bed, which without any doubt whatsoever has been disconnected, so I can't show it to you coming down, and that makes perfect sense because people tend to mess around with them when they don't know what they're doing, such as me. Here we have, not entirely sure I do actually know how to lower a bed. There is the toilet, shower. What's that sink doing there? Well, you can move it over here like that, should you wish. There you go. So you've got a larger shower in here. I'll even come into the shower just to demonstrate it. Now obviously I wouldn't normally be in the shower with a bag on my front, a bag on my back, and a mask on, but for those of you who do such things, then you can see how much space there is. Lots of room here. Can't stand though these things here. These things. There we go. Look, it goes around like that. It goes on like that, and there's a plastic bit here that comes out as well. There, right. To be quite honest, I know there's a gap here now. I've got to take this one around as well. Right. Now, if you do that, then to be quite honest, I don't think I feel a bit. I can understand somebody being claustrophobic. Okay, maybe I don't feel claustrophobic as such, but yeah, there's a view. Well, I wouldn't use it. As I've said many times in the past, don't like these things at all. Right, let's go out. Mind you, I don't tend to get the shower all wet when I use it, particularly when I'm in water conservation mode. That is to say, when I'm wild camping and I don't know where my next water is coming from. I'm very, very cautious with the water I use. Right, good thing about this is we've got a double floor down here, which you can use to stick stuff in, like that. And you've also in there's the tap to release the water. You've got 2 more storage things down there as well. Lovely large table and seating. This vehicle can go on a 4.5 ton basis. That would give this vehicle getting on for 1.5 tons. I said getting on for, but getting on for 1.5 tons of payload. So you know, even if you have 4 people in, there's nothing to worry about. Bed looks good up there, nothing gaudy on the underside of it. You can't really tell it's there. A bit further on, we've got the fan and a roof light. And this window, in my opinion, is pretty magnificent. And it's got a large garage too. You get a lot in there. It's got a plug. I think it takes 250 kilos on that one in there. I think I said, I didn't say it did. Right, we'll have a look at this one. Also got a German layout. Also has the lights on. And this one here is 741 meters long. Centimeters long, not meters. 7.4 meters, 741 centimeters, 93,240. Right. So let's come in here, and the first thing we'll do is turn this on. And does it go off? Yeah, it did that last time. You see, it did that last. Maybe this is how it works. It's meant to work. It's then it goes off, right? So we'll try again. Sorry, pressing the wrong thing. Yeah, I'll try this one. So, oh, you see, it works on the little finger. That's the trick. Right, now I've found that out. Here's put this on and put that on. So, face to face, double floor down there, bed, well integrated, very well integrated into the roof. Yeah, I'll come down, I'll sit down here and I'll have a better look at it. Look at the, you see, it's almost as though it just continues. I mean, there's obviously the crack for where the bed joins the wall, not crack, but the space, the gap, the joint. But all the same, you can scarcely see it. I mean, compare that to some of the within the same companies, like or even Mobil Vetta Design, which is meant to be at the top end. It doesn't look that good. And it certainly doesn't in Challenger or Chausson or something like that. Kitchen here, but with a more elite looking molded sink with something for the water to rush off. 3 burners, storage below, and here German layout with a way of closing this. Close the door here. Close the other door here. Oops, didn't mean to do it like that. And now note, I have done some videos for Mobil Vetta Design with the doors. They don't look like that in Mobil Vetta Design. In Mobil Vetta Design is also owned by the same company. They join very well. Right. No problems there at all. And that's what it's supposed to be like. And you can just stick this thing on there. So come down, push it down. Right, in here, there's your toilet. sink. There's me in the mirror. Or the other mirror. I'm not in that one. So I'll go into the shower, show you how big it is. Assuming I don't get my bag, open the door. Right, okay. It's probably as big as the other one, quite honest, when them things were around me. But here it feels as though there's more space. This shower has been profiled as well, so it comes so it's straight there, and then it comes straight there, and it comes at an angle at that point. Fan. Of course, this vehicle's a lot longer. 41 centimeters in the van world, or 42, is a lot. And it comes also with this rather large garage as well. So there you have it, Profila RS695EB motorhome from Eura Mobil in its 2022 version. So thanks for watching, hope you found that interesting, and plenty more videos on this channel for this showing motorhomes from all over the place, this case being from German manufacturer Eura Mobil.